Today I want to talk a little bit about the Alaskan chainsaw mill that I made. Some of the do's and don'ts to help you improve your cutting quality. As you can see here, I slab both sides of this here cedar, and that's what I use for a rail. But the thing is, after I get my slab off, I still use the rail. Why I do? Because if you start right here at the end, you're not going to get it perfect. With the rail hanging over, that you can put your guide right up and she's level, your lumber is going to come out perfect every time. You see, I just saw 2 planks there, and when everything is perfect to start with, well, your lumber is going to turn out perfect, even with a chainsaw. You know, 2 1/8, 2 1/8, 2 1/8, all the way through. Now remember, this is a chainsaw you're talking about, you know. This is not a lumber mill. Alright. There, I'm going to start a new log. Alright. Now, if you don't want a slab too heavy, underneath the small end, I got a piece of 3/4 inch, right? And that'll level it out, that you're not left with a great big slab. That's one trick I learned too. Remember, under your small end. Anyway, I'm going to get ready to saw this one. I'll take getting a few planks made. It takes time, but you know, it saves money. And the last one there is too big for the mill, so I'm going to have to take her out of the guide and take a little bit off it, I think. Alright. There. Isn't that nice? Now I'm going to take a slab off the top. And then I'll start planking her in 2 inch. Alright.